never had a pretty girl from Joburg see me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur.
So beautiful. Oh my goodness. So
They
beautiful.
say it doesn't get sweet. Feel my body banging like speakers. Ooh, spinning on my
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, or fondly called Mrs. M. And if you're not new, thank you so much, Butterfly, for coming back to my channel today. In today's video, we're talking about this gorgeous, oh my god, like this hair is so beautiful. It looks exactly and feels exactly like my natural hair. I tried this hair and I am in shock. This hair is from Hotbraids, okay? If you stay tuned, I'm going to show you how it looks when it came out of the box, how I went to the salon to do my hair, my thoughts on this hair, and my final thoughts as well. So keep on watching. I'm going to include some styles as well in case you want to do this hair and you do not know how to style it. Although I feel like this hair looks so beautiful anywhere you leave it. I mean, it's mimicking our goddess natural hair, so you know natural hair is beautiful anywhere you leave it. But I'm going to include some styles. Hot hair did the thing with this hair. The texture, the quality of this hair, oh my goodness, just keep on watching, okay? And if you end up enjoying, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I love this hair so much. I don't even know how to explain how much I love this hair. But subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. I got this package via FedEx and it came to me in about a week and some days. This is what the package came as. The bag and this silk bag. This silk bag is so pretty. I love the color. At first glance, this hair is so soft. Oh my goodness, so soft. It also comes with a care booklet, or stuff that will tell you how to care for the hair, because it's actually like your natural hair, to be honest. It also comes with this tote bag, which I think is so thoughtful by the brand, because it helps you just carry a lot of stuff, you see, and it's such good quality as well. I love when brands send gifts that are very usable and very durable, so they get a thumbs up. Now back to this box. In this box there are like the tools you would need: this gorgeous brush, this comb, clips as well, all black, and our hair. This hair is from Hotbraids, as I have mentioned. It's their human hair bulk. It's their afro kinky bulk human hair, and it is incredibly soft. Incredibly soft. I was so shocked. I was like, this thing looks like my hair. The color is in color natural, and there is no difference. No difference between this and my hair. Can you see how soft that is? Is it translating on camera? Because when I was feeling it, I was like, what is this sorcery? How did Hotbraids achieve this? Like, wow. And can you see how bouncy it is? I did get 20 inches of this bulk kinky hair, but I think they also have 22 inches. Now let me explain that. 20 inches in length, but then when you braid it, it will get to 10 inches because you have to bend it to do a twist or a braid. You get what I mean? So beware of that. And I got 5 packs, so I ended up with like about 10 inches of hair, as you saw in the beginning. But I love the length. I love the length. It's hands down the best, oh my goodness, the best extension I've ever used in my life. I'm not even joking. Can you see how soft this extension is? It is so lightweight, it is so soft, it is so bouncy. It is perfect. That's just all I can say. What? I got 5 bundles, but I did use 2.5 of this. So if you want a longer length, you can double it when your braider is braiding your hair, but I wanted something short, so I used 2.5. Okay, now we're off to Abuja.
Yeah, touchdown, no, so get me. Don't need that time, no one of them. Looking like.
Touchdown Abuja, the capital city. When I told my sister I was coming over to Abuja just to plait my hair, she was in disbelief. But did you see how soft these extensions from Hotbraids were? I had to come to an even softer salon because I wanted to keep the soft life going. We're on our way to the salon right now, and Abuja is just so beautiful. I love how there's trees everywhere, and I love my nails as well. They seem to match the trees so well. I love money, yo. I cannot deny. I love the soft life. I mean, look how beautiful this salon is. It's giving vacation. Hello. I got the wash of my life in this salon. Like this hair washer or hairdresser right now, she has hands that are meant for massage. She gave me the best scalp massages. Oh my goodness. Like I slept like a baby after this massage and after this hair wash. It was so cleansing, so nice. You know, I'm going to have my hair in for about 2 months because have you seen the beauty? So I wanted to prep my hair and make sure that everything was done properly so that I don't have any like itchiness or sweat build up or whatever. So I wanted to treat my hair with so much love and extra care before installing this braids. That was why I did all this treatment I was doing. And this salon, shout out to my baby girl Lisa. She recommended this salon to me, and oh, it fit the vibe. It was so soothing, so calming. I really enjoyed myself, and they really took care of my hair so well. I really loved being here. It was worth the journey. Okay, after we washed and steamed my hair, we will just straighten this out. But tip for you, if you're going to be doing this hairstyle, you do not need to straighten it. I wanted to get a trim, so we needed to straighten it up, but my hair is growing so long. Now to the best part of this tutorial, the braid installation. Oh my god, I spent so much time braiding this hair. I don't even know how to explain it to you, but for some reason, because of how lightweight this hair is, can you see the match of this unit and my hair, this extension and my hair? Because of how, you know, soft and lightweight it was, I didn't feel as tired as I would when I would braid my hair with other extensions. And this might look like kinky to you, but trust me, it is way softer than kinky. 11 ba? 11. And this is 6 p.m. So that's how many hours? 6 hours. 7 hours. 7 hours. Sharp. We've been sitting for 7 hours. Imagine if I made this thing tiny. So glad I didn't go tinier, because look at how full this hair is. Look at my pretty scalp. But this hair is so full because my actual hair is full, and these braids were a little bit bigger than, you know, the regular micro twists. I really enjoyed it. 11 hours later, the gorgeousness is installed. Sorry. You don't try for me. Do you normally play tall people like this? That you have to be stressing for their center of their pattern, eh? It's so lightweight. It mimics my natural hair so well. I don't even know, I don't have anything wrong to say about this hair. Hi my love. I'm currently at the train station. At the station because we are going home. I've missed my love so much, but this hair looked so beautiful. I decided to pull out my camera and show you. Really excited. I love this hair so much, but I'm not done filming for the brand.
Triple P.
Looking like a bag of money. I love my hair so much. I do my makeup. You know how you do your makeup to see if you like your hair? Yeah, I love it. I love it. I'm in love. I'm going to start showing you the styles I have in store for you. First is this free beautiful afro. Just let the hair do its thing, you know. It's gorgeous, it's carefree, it's beautiful. Style number 1. Style number 2, you just want to carry the hair, pack a bit from each side above your ear. You do not need to tug or pull on this hair because it is so lightweight. It wouldn't even harm your edges one bit. But you just pick it up like that, put it up in a scrunch and just put a band on it and fluff it out. And you have your second style. Super easy, wearable. Leave-in conditioner. This is the basic set I got because of this my hairstyle. I'm going to have it in for a bit, so I got these things. This is a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to pour some of it into a spray bottle and add in water just to lighten it a bit. But if you want a hydrating spray, this is that for you as well. This is 300 ml. So I'm going to go ahead and make this damp. This is the hydrating spray for natural hair from Afro. I'm going to use that. It's a natural hair spray. Okay, so I'm going to just apply it all over my hair just so you can see what this hair looks like, slightly damp. So this is the side with the wet texture. It's damp, not wet. Okay, so you see that it has dropped significantly. It has dropped and it is so beautiful. This is it, like still, you know, a bit scrunchy, natural hair, dry texture, and this is it, a lot more juicy. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I just had to show you the back of this hair. It is so pretty. Hair mousse, I feel like, is going to make the hair stiff and not pretty, but this will make it so pretty and so bouncy, like water. That's all you need, you know. So it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Number 3, so pretty. For the next style, you just want to pull out some of the hair on your ear. Make sure it's comfortable for you and it's not pulling because we're trying to go into a bun. And you get this hairband and just cut it in half so that it can allow you to tie it. And you just take your time to smooth it out. It's so beautiful. So many ways to wear this hair. So this is hairstyle number 4. I said I was going to give 5 hairstyles. This hairstyle number 4. I knew this was going to be my favorite so far. Which is your favorite? You can style this with a scarf as well, right? I don't know if I want to do that. You can just do that and it will be so beautiful. Is it giving? Well, if you want though, you should know that this is an option for you. So pretty. For the next style, we're going to be tucking in this bun, just gently tucking it in, and if you feel like you want to secure it with a pin, please go ahead. But this hair behaves so incredibly magical that it just stayed all day in this bun. It just stayed like that, so it's up to you. You can secure it with another band. And you can leave those tendrils by the ears, or you can tuck it up to give you a more clean. This is so beautiful. I love this hair so much. I cannot even keep explaining to you. This is like the best braiding hair I have tried. I love it so much. The fact that it is so easy to style, painless, so lightweight. I love it so much. Oh my goodness, I love it. Wow. So my loves, that completes this video. I highly recommend checking out the links to this hair in the description. They did deliver to me at my doorstep here in Nigeria, in case you were wondering. My sister is calling, but they did deliver to me at my doorstep here in Nigeria, and I am so grateful for that. So grateful. Yeah, I love this hair. I love the length for summer, but you can make it longer when you buy the extensions. This is 20 inches, not 22 inches, please. 20 inches, but it behaves like my natural hair, so it's curly, right? You can use your conditioning spray like I showed in the video to make it like hydrate it. It's natural hair, so how you treat your natural hair in a twist is how you should treat this hair in a twist. But it is so, oh my god, you can even use it for people that have dreadlocks, or you want to start doing dread. You can use this material to make the dread and attach it to your hair. Amazing. Check out Hotbraids once again. Do not forget, all the links are in the description box. Okay, and I'm going to see you, butterfly, in my next video.